Suppose there is a device out that will certainly pay you insufficient autopilot for copy pasting some text in less than 10 minutes. How would that impact your life? Currently, given that I understand a lot of you guys are looking for something beginner friendly, I came up with this technique that needs no selling, no social media followers, no investment and no website. However, it pays well and it pays automatically. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so this is a device you will certainly require to sign up for completely free to set up everything on autopilot, so you can accumulate those incomes automatically. Yet, before reaching this device, you will certainly require to set up something else. Firstly, you will certainly need to head over to a website called OfferVault. It's a CPA industry with thousands of different CPA deals that you can get hold of and sign up entirely cost-free. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, suggesting that people you refer to your referral link don't need to purchase anything and don't require to spend any money on it. Yet, you will still get paid even if they enter their email address. It's a lot easier to make someone sign up for something absolutely cost-free by entering their email address than making them purchase something or pay for anything. That's why this strategy works so well. And that's why this approach is excellent for complete beginners. Now, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can grab a few of these offers. Exactly how you can grab your referral link and set it up on complete autopilots with the second device, which we will be used to collect some passive income hands-free. So, step number 1 is to go over to offervault.com. Step number 2, go to the search bar and search for the most popular keyword on this website, a gift card. So, as you can see from the trending search bar, the most popular keyword is gift card because there are different giveaways to refer people and get paid. So, you can refer people to cost-free giveaways where they can sign up by entering their email address and have an opportunity to win a gift card, as well as you will get paid just for them sign up for definitely free of cost. Now, when they sign up with your link, they can win something. That's why it's most likely to be 1,000 times less complicated than if you were selling something. Also, as you can see, in the most cases, people will certainly require to enter their email addresses. They need to submit their email address and make money with a lot of cash. In this case, they don't require to buy anything. They don't need to pay for anything. They need to enter their email address and you will get a various amount of cash per email. And you will undoubtedly gain anywhere from $1 to $2 and often a lot more than that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So you can experience all these deals and find one of the ideal ones for you. For example, we are going to use this right here where people need to enter their email address and also I will earn money with this quantity per email. So go through those offers and locate some giveaways where they are giving away $100 or $500 or $1,000 gift card. Take a look at the payment price. In most situations, it's going to be $2.40 and make sure it includes entering their email because that indicates they need to submit their email address. So I will certainly open this offer. Then you can learn more regarding it and see this is the payout which suggests if I refer even more people, that's a lot more money for me. If I refer even more people, that's one more passive income for me and so on. I'm going to reveal to you a traffic source that you can utilize cost-free where millions of people come every day. Currently, on the right hand side, you can even see the preview to where you are sending people as well as what they require to complete. In this case, I am sending them to this page where they can sign up free to ideally get this reward as well as I will earn money from this. Now for step number 3, grab your CPA link. It's always going to be a bit different because these are all coming from other websites. Yet basically all you have to do is click this button that will take you over to this website where you will certainly require to sign up, and it's very easy and fast to sign up. You will certainly require to enter your name with some basic information like where you are coming from. Then enter your email address, create a password as well as your full name. After that, reply to some additional questions as well as provide your social media accounts. You will also fill out the details, agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and sign up. It's as easy as that. It will take less than 2 minutes. Once you sign up, you can get your unique CPA link. So, as soon as you grab your unique referral link, you will certainly require to grab that and copy that web link, and you will certainly need to begin driving traffic. When you hold your referral web link, visits a website that we will certainly use as a traffic source to make those payments on complete autopilot. And the website is called Answers. It is over at answer.com. This website is being checked out by 7.8 million people every single month, which is huge. It has a big potential and also it can get a lot of signups from Answers.com. Currently, Answers.com is an area where millions of people come every single day to ask and answer questions. An excellent thing about Answers.com is that when a question is answered on this website, it's most likely to start ranking on Google, because if you think about it, when a person wants to discover an answer, they will Google to look for it. As well as possibilities are a few of responses from Answers.com will undoubtedly pop up. So this posts are placed truly high on Google. It indicates there is a lot of passive income that can be made with this website. Now firstly, begin with this website. You would require to create a free of cost account, and to do so, click on the login right here. Then click on the sign up button, and also you can sign up by entering your email address. After that, create a password. You can read their terms of services as well as privacy policy by clicking these right here. If you agree, tick the box, and then you require to fill out the details and click submit. When you create a free account, you can begin utilizing the search bar. So you can discover targeted people that would suddenly be interested in signing up for your offers. So you can look for different keywords like just how to make money online, how to work from home, how to get free Visa cards, Visa gift cards, giveaways, and so on. So you are looking for people who have an interest in earning money online and seeking people who agree to sign up for your offer to get a gift card for free. I suggest who doesn't need some extra cash, and also it costs them nothing to sign up, as well as they will certainly also have a possibility to win. So there must be a lot of interest in those deals. As an example, I'm going to search for how to make money online. That's going to offer me millions of results, and as you can see, lots of people are asking this question, which implies there is a lot of need in this website for this specific subject. What you can do is, you can start replying to those concerns. Also, you can tell them, hey, you can sign up for this free of charge giveaway and you can have a chance to win a $500 gift card or whatever your deal is, and provide your CPA link. Not only are you helping them and providing them with value of absolutely cost free, also you are making a passive income stream on your own, because those replies and those responses will stay forever online. And maybe in several months or years, when somebody searches for that question in Answer.com, they can come across your reply with your recommendation web link, which they can click. Then sign up and you will make money if the offer is so valid. So you can look for various keywords like earn money online, how to earn money online, free giveaways, free gift cards, and more. Then discover people interested in that and have millions of them on Answers.com. The next thing to do is responding with your CPA web link, and you can accumulate commissions in complete autopilot and create a decent passive income from this. Undoubtedly, the even more people you react to, the more cash you will certainly have the ability to make if you just set this up. When you still have a likelihood of making some passive income with this, it's not hard if you are not selling anything, and also you are helping other people for definitely free. It can take you less than 10 minutes to set this all up. It can make you a decent amount of passive income. So I hope you get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I will see you in the following videos.